is a sudden and extreme event caused by nature that affects people's lives and the environment. In this video, you'll learn vocabularies about natural disasters. Let's go! Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruptions occur when pressure builds up inside a volcano and forces lava, ash, and gas out. Did you know that some volcanoes have been erupting for hundreds of years? Tsunami. Tsunamis occur when an underwater earthquake or volcano pushes water to make huge waves. Did you know in 2004, a giant tsunami wave as tall as a 10-story building crashed into beaches and cities in many countries? Avalanche. Avalanches occur when heavy snow breaks loose and slides down mountains. Avalanches can reach speeds of 80 miles per hour and are often triggered by heavy snowfall or human activity, like skiing. Tornado. Tornadoes happen when warm and cold air mix and spin in the sky, creating a fast, twisting wind. The fastest tornado winds ever recorded reached over 300 miles per hour, strong enough to rip houses down. Blizzard. Blizzards happen when cold air, moisture, and strong winds combine to create heavy snowfall. Fun fact, blizzards can cause whiteout conditions where you can't see more than a few feet ahead. It's like being inside a snow globe. Flood. Floods happen when too much rain or melting snow causes rivers or lakes to overflow. 2010 Pakistan floods affected over 20 million people. Earthquake. Earthquakes occur when sudden movement of tectonic plates shakes the ground. Did you know the 2011 earthquake in Japan was so powerful, magnitude 9, that it shifted Earth's axis by about 10 inches and even shortened the length of a day slightly? Drought. Droughts happen when long periods without rain dry out land, crops, and water sources. Fun fact, droughts can last for months or even years, and they not only affect agriculture, but also wildlife and people's access to clean water. Wildfire. Wildfires happen when dry weather and heat cause fast-spreading forest fires. 2019 to 2020 Australian wildfires killed or displaced over 3 billion animals. Hurricane. Hurricanes are caused by warm ocean water and air that create a giant spinning storm. The fastest winds ever recorded in hurricanes were 215 miles per hour during Hurricane Patricia in 2015. They could almost outrun a car on the highway. Landslide. Landslides are caused when heavy rain, earthquakes, or volcanoes cause rocks and soil to slide. In 2020, a landslide in Norway pulled homes into the sea. Cyclone. Cyclones form over warm ocean waters and are driven by rising air and rotating winds, creating powerful storms. Did you know Cyclones can be hundreds of miles wide, and in different places they have different names. Hurricanes in the US, typhoons in Asia, and cyclones in Australia. Heat wave. Heat waves happen when very hot weather lasts for many days. Did you know heat waves can cause roads to melt, power outages, and serious health problems? Severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorms form when warm, moist air rises quickly and makes dark clouds with lightning. Did you know a single severe thunderstorm can produce more than 1,000 lightning strikes in just 1 hour? Hailstorm. Hailstorms happen when rain gets pushed high into cold clouds and freezes into balls of ice. Interesting fact, some hailstones can grow as big as baseballs and fall at speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. Iceberg collapse. Iceberg collapses happen when parts of a floating iceberg break off due to melting, wave action, or internal cracks. Typhoon. Typhoons are caused over warm ocean water like hurricanes. In Asia, hurricanes are called typhoons. Sandstorm. Sandstorms happen when strong winds blow sand through the air. Sandstorms can travel hundreds of miles and turn daytime into darkness. Some are strong enough to ground airplanes and shut down cities. Ice storm. Ice storms are caused by freezing rain that turns into a layer of ice on surfaces, shiny glass like ice covering everything. Sinkhole. Sinkholes are created when underground water dissolves rock like limestone, causing the ground above to suddenly collapse. Coastal erosion. Coastal erosion happens when ocean waves, currents, or winds slowly wear away the land along the shore. Fun fact, some beaches around the world lose several meters of land every year. Fog. Fog is created when air cools down and tiny water droplets hang in the air near the ground. Fun fact, the thickest fog ever recorded reduced visibility to just a few feet. It was like walking through a cloud on the ground. Permafrost thawing. Permafrost thawing is caused when long frozen ground warms due to rising global temperatures. Melting permafrost can release ancient viruses, bacteria, and tons of trapped greenhouse gases into the air. Famine. Famine happens when people don't have enough food, often due to droughts, crop failures, or conflict. Fun fact, during some famines in history, entire regions ran out of food and millions of people were affected. Lava flow. Lava flow occurs when molten rock or magma escapes from a volcano and moves across the land. Fun fact, some lava flows move so slowly that people can actually walk faster than the lava, but nothing can stop it once it starts. Gas emission. Gas emission occurs when volcanoes or cracks in the Earth's surface release gases like carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide. Interesting fact, some volcanic gases smell like rotten eggs, and in high amounts they can be dangerous to breathe. Solar flare. Solar flares occur when the sun suddenly releases a burst of energy and radiation into space. Space debris. Space debris is made of broken satellites, old rocket parts, and other junk left behind in Earth's orbit. Even tiny pieces of space debris can travel faster than a bullet and damage working satellites. Air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful gases, smoke, or chemicals are released into the air, often by cars, factories, or fires. Flash flood. Flash floods happen when heavy rain falls quickly. Did you know a flash flood can happen in just minutes and are powerful enough to sweep away entire cities? Water scarcity. Water scarcity happens when there isn't enough water for people, plants, or animals due to drought. Mudslide. Mudslides happen when heavy rain soaks the ground, causing wet soil and rocks to slide downhill. Geyser eruption. Geyser eruptions occur when underground water is heated by rocks and turns into steam, building pressure until it bursts out of the ground. Snowstorm. Snowstorms happen when moist air cools rapidly, causing snow to fall heavily over a wide area. Lightning strike. Lightning strikes happen when electric charges build up in clouds and discharge to the ground or between clouds. Fun fact, a single lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun and can light up a whole sky in a flash. Debris flow. Debris flow occurs when heavy rain or melting snow mixes with loose soil, rocks, and mud on a slope, causing it to rush downhill.